Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba ban phira lang basayoman ubade Vice President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress habakran chikilat bathai khubor banta sngi hakabayede ka jingkhalam no jongkatnom ka yingdor bar thawan bathamai ka jilla kabadan hamau diang ulaong bau menteri rangba ka jilla ukondrat ke sangma ulaong bakadaw ka deina ka jingkhya e jongkatnom ka balong 1000 sanspa kilo bat ka jingduna ka jinge lang hapdeng ginong panwandor ya kata yung dorbar ki contractor bat ki project management consultants kata ka PWD utayu samla ulong bakum ulam phang ka yung dorbar thawan ke jalla uba met ba lingdo udi ban chim khia bat pensha helor ka jingkhalam jokatunom ka yung dorbar thawan bat ka sarkar kam dei ban thetkti hakom gani ka por badan ka jingkhalam bat ka jingpra Nakaliang samla Adrian Khan, ubade President ke MPYC, loong ruba ka jingjor ka bam sap hapo ka jala, kaladan habaro ki benta kat bau menteri rangba ka jala, ha ka jaka ban pensitam ki brio ki badan kti halor ka jing bam sap, pen banu loong da kumni kumtai. Utay samla loong ruba ha ka jaka ba ka sarkar kan batay ka daw ka jing khalam jo katiga tnom, henry ka sarkar ka laburi pen ban bat darap jot ya ka tay ka jingja.
Datangi pet, Andrews ni menchua. Nyusi menchua Chief Minister Jongi Konrad Sangma ba ai kenja press conference halor ka bayre baka report jong ka IIT Guwahati ka bayre baka collapse jong udu ka assembly building ka Jongi akum kata ka report ki boong CM it is a 500 page report tiya ka 500 page report la should summarize tang hapo likely sentence the first kaboong kadan arbenta part A kadiba the dome weight was too heavy 1000 spark kilo kabaar lack of coordination between the designers contractors and the project management consultants kabadi kapiludi part 2 kabiong ba ka building ibadan huntai menta katong safe and as per standards dadai ka 500 page report la ban summarize tang hapo lai sentence adi uba summarize bopet ba Teling bag ni ki summarization jong CM ni i ka jing bure kababuan ka ba kipay ba kini bantip ka ba kumi ang president ba haban bu public domain ka report tingin na kayang ka youth congress na alia ka homework jongi la kendo pa ki bure from very reliable sources tiba ai ngi pat ka perspective jong ki designers jong ka building na report bangi yo mangi ni kini jing thoi ai Kidan kindiat kimat ki bangi kwa ban pen issue show halo ka report ba IT Guwahati ki designers ki ong ba kada go statement ki ong hani ki kot ngiyo kanan adherence to the drawing issued kakum ka drawing bla pen create ki designers ki contractors ba ki project management consultants ki khamle thik ba thing ka ba art ka ba ki dan ka we ka statement ki ai ba na quote ki kadang kapu workmanship and execution karkom tri kalong tertiba bat karkom pentri kambu kalong tertiba mat kabalai ka bangi ini ka report jong ki gariba ka testing facility mat kamdan wala kla demand bazang pakadi bandan ka test for the adherence to the strength of materials and cube tests are required for quality assurance te kaniru ka banta kamdan te ngin sapni presentation hne po ka karkom ki drawings ngiyo karkom ki hadin bala pra ka kadum adon ka inquiry bala bun ki dor ki bamin hangto ki bangi pait bak ngamiyo bantang hapo nomor bala seal of datu jakan in sepni hadin ki dor man pulia tek patek ni report kindak kindak chu IP atau CM tang 3 sentences ni in I come detail kindak ka bangi yo bak designers kladon ka an chukut biya ka report ma there were improper joints due to which the desired strength was not achieved join jongki column jongki beams. It seems that the reinforcement embedment in the beam is missing. Kebang seperti yang people tertib hamsai. Then yakini ki yakar komde yung beam kita tahu BS51. Yung new beam yang bahar komsna kari banong monolithic kabandong syuruk tanrai bit syuruk syuruk kan ka kinabar ikandong syuruk syuruk column A ni katar komdon yung kakum ki crack to develop ngila iba kata kalong absent. Tekadon saka there was no concrete bonding on face of BS53 and BS51 kibun kita technical things ngani badon kabangin dayatan The reinforcement has not been turned to achieve the required lap, due to which the beams are not adequately anchored and led to the separation of the beam from the column. Then gadan sakani kabi ongba inadequate strength of building materials. The further reasons for failure could include the basic materials subject to testing by third-party agency in the presence of all stakeholders. However, inadequate curing of structural members in spite of using correct material quality and quantity may also have led to inadequate strength. Poor workmanship and execution. The photographs attached against E. It shows poor workmanship and no adherence to drawing issued. And kendan kidur neba, the columns, the stuff of the columns are out of beam and out of alignment. Dia dapat allotment of contract. Kabakta bahaya kini project berkhot kabang ini kini ba kom ai contract lu bantreng. Ya ka tender contract ayo da ka UPRNN. Bakla dan koi ka clause boto clause 39.1 yang tender condition ka ong sepang ka subletting dan subcontracting. Ka UPRNN kam na ban ai palat 10% ka kam syaki subcontract. Ki subcontract ni ka dum jungi ketika BRC badirai construction. Kami pakai implement tang 10%, kala implement 4% ni ketika kam hantai hapo dum jungi. Te ki ong ruba kani ka BRC initially for apply tender ki ong blasa reject in the first place na KPWD. Ka BRC kayo menteri hantai lingba ka backdoor channel ke jongki. Ka UPRNN kala use ka BRC kala use ka credential jong UPRNN bakanya tray ka ka dum hantai. Kani ka ju ka firm ka BRC ka pentray ki kam hapo ka pulo supermarket commercial complex ka pentray ki surok hapo Bajang Doba ka pentray ka sport complex hapo Tura tingi kani BRC ka figure sepang hapo ki kam hapo Meghalaya. Te kani ka MPC building bang Senaman Taru ka pentray ka BRC. Tingi lingo balada ka firm ka balong lali ban blacklist kini firm na bahap dum ni. Maring baki drawings bangis bin EP sibet. Na i ba kani ka firm kampat long qualified ban training kam. Kablingo long balik yo sio kam. Bani week state, bani week kiri, na saya ni firm na sa blacklist. Cikumno kayo kani undue favor na ka sarkar ka jungi. Te kabalingo kalong ba UCM hapor mo ay kani ka press conference kajong ka ba state bitang katahi bat na itna ka jinglong confident jong CM peringkat ni ka jing kulma ba ukram kren chu ka jing kulma ka jing pra ka dom azang kren sepang ban puntei biang ya kata ki CGI sheets em ni ki mosaic ni ki ge ya ban page ka dom kalong kani ka assembly jong i ka building kalong safe ni em kyo ba menta kalong safe hilek no ta ka kata ka method pipenon kam ban pentikna ba ka building jong i ka safe at the same time kajinglong ki brush everything under the carpet ki show me ba kata ka building jungi khiap lo udum re designer sigi ki ba la ju tray ni ju udum kum ni jaj ba kham he ki ba kham yu bun ki jaka ling lap ling ba kan report ba kadon ka ba halendet ka bangi pa ba porok ki pa ba ki keno ringi ling ba ki ba tho ki jing lap jungi ni report ni lap ba huge scale corruption ka dan bai but ka ba smosi kalong ba Ubadi page officer di page ka kamantai kum project management consultants tahu le election na kan kaseng jong chief minister jongi kadon kajingya pendarap jot jing tau miao ya ka kam ka ba kerpang ka ba kongsan po ka state jongi tingimla kum ki pajba kum ki congress ru imla ba chu ngap sa ikini ki ban haban dewa benia ban hilawat benia pakai bengi dia mengi hang ni bang tenpas ba bangin suya mereka dika election agenda dika jong ba ikini ka dom kani ka assembly building ri jong ba baladon kam yang adon kam yaki stakeholders berkhoi banginya minumnya ni we won't go with the smiles ne kita jinglong ka PRO skills jong PR skills jong UCM ka UCM nya skap no kam daira ngidangnya wa chu bangit scam ka media press kini le abenta ka jong kiro titang ini kinja tu ka pin sastu bhada tang pin iya ka ya kan ki drawing jong ka building ken hono ki jot hono pra hono ka jing duna jong ka komsna ipi tang kinja ngat sai naklian ki siap bot phya sutu hi ka komtre kam bang hap keno ino hap keno hi ya ka kimli bang klet kan ka high power committee jong ti bla head speaker Yang he belong equally responsible, and he's like the speaker himself. He should take like the onus on him. Ba un pensyai un let tikana perkem la ban taktik mengapur pala da mi community ki jing kulmar ki jing pra jing yu asmo ba speaker one of the chief stakeholder ade ba la de ban kham simti mu de ban chu penyadar job man kapur ba kulmar e chukran chukran tang sin na doi da
te nakaliang jongi Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ni khot yapi hagne kapur ko banta bagine kran saphang kajingjur jong kane kabamsap ka corruption hapo ka state ka jungi namrangi phai ki department ki bopher nanta hakano no go bentaro ngilap bangi ka corruption ka don he but henry chief minister jungi hakajaka ban penstam yaki henry usuk kenno penbang yaki we ni mentaro nakalian jo ke media kila ai ka report ki babul ki department bopher bala pau ka jing bamsap hawai day na ka home jong ki police dan ke day jong ka kot ka khya ka health education, power, social welfare, berka PWD. Herengi mentah kerpang ni kuat benekran, sepang kene ka dome building. Bangi i bau chief minister jongi ula juga keren sepang kene. Bangi i bakane ka dome building collapse. Tangi mut ban kelihi yo chief minister jongi bahai kata ke inquiry report balai naka IT kohati. Bangi kuat bakane ka long haka public domain. Henry pat bonsin jaka ban batai ka daw yu ba collapse ban pan ai kata ka report ikumba ki shubore pan bang ki shia darok jo ta ka daw ha bonsin ro ha ya keli ki wei ban pen shai ha kata ka benta ki ong pan ban le homework hi maki ta ka daw ngi bo kata ka jingkeli tu taw u engineer u le ayu te kita ki contractor ki le ayu